Ladies and gentlemen, welcome on board. Please be careful when opening the overhead lockers, as luggage and other objects could fall out and cause injury if they are not stowed or handled properly. Each seat is fitted with a seatbelt. Please fasten your seatbelt each time I turn on the fasten seatbelt sign. Tighten your seatbelt after fastening it to ensure it's providing maximum safety. If you want to unfasten the seatbelt, simply open the buckle. I recommend that you keep your seatbelt fastened during the whole flight, as we may fly through areas of turbulence. In the highly unlikely event of an emergency, we may be forced to evacuate you. In this situation, use the emergency exits. 2 are at the front of the aircraft and 2 at the rear. There are 4 emergency exits located in the middle of the aircraft. Emergency floor lighting will lead you to the exits. Each exit is marked with an illuminated sign.